Hey, what's up guys? Today I have here the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. This is the model code M44668. The difference between this one, you're about to see. This one has the hand braided type of handle instead of the fascetta. And it's got like a bit more playful feel to it. It's got like an LV leather charm and also a pink strap that goes around your shoulder. So that's going to be interesting to see when we unbox it. This particular one goes for $2,360. I'll show you the receipt right here. And after taxes, this one comes out to, $194 tax at $2,554.70. So that's this right here. The box that it comes in, of course, they put this ribbon around it. I'm gonna have to undo this so we can get to the product itself. Just gonna undo it right there, just do it all the way around. Of course, as with all the other Louis Vuitton boxes I've ever undone, it does have the magnetic front. Of course, you do this, bam, magnet, magnet, magnet. Okay, pull it all the way up. And here we go. So this is the Louis Vuitton dust bag that it comes in, of course, with the blackish blue letters. But of course, you guys are here to see this. So I'm gonna pull this out. Yeah, look at that. So any of you that have seen the Pochette Metis before, you see this one here is a different color. It's got that red to it. It does have this charm right here, that's new. And then the hand braided handle right here. It's gonna take a closer look at that. This is very unique. Like, of all the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis that I've seen, I've never seen anything like this. And from what the sales associate said, this is like one of 20 or 25 in the US. So this is definitely a unique piece, and of course I think this is going to be turning heads out on the street, especially since my head's already turned when I see any one of these Pochette Metis to begin with. And I'm a dude, of course, you know, so this is interesting. Taking a look at the back side, you got the gold hardware. It just zips open and close just like any other one. Yeah, so it just zips open and close just like any other one. And then the back here is orange. So I know in the other one, it's going to be darker color on the inside. I'm going to close that right up. And then we're going to flip to the front. Yeah, just note these red accents here. And it's going to press, go like this, just like the other Metis. And then of course on the inside, it is orange. It's not like that other color that you see on the other Metis of the same color. So that's what makes it more playful, really, is look at the color on the inside. Look at the color of this strap, different from what you regularly see of a Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. So I'm gonna put this on the bag and then see how it looks. Okay, so here we go. Just gonna lift it like this. Let me just put this bag charm toward the front so it's easier to see. Take a look at that. So that's what it looks like with that red strap, red shoulder strap going around. Yeah, just to give it a different look, that's what it looks like. And then if I just dress it up like this, you know, just put the red strap right there. Look at the contrast between the colors. You got the bright orange, you got this red, you have the white charm here, you have the regular monogram, then the red on this side, and then of course the strap matches this section over here. So that makes it more fun, that makes it unique, and of course the fact that it is different, it is something that you're not going to see out in the street. That's what makes this more appealing than the other bags out there. So there you guys have it. Just wanted to show you that the Pochette Metis. And let's just see if there's anything here quickly. Yeah, looks like nothing else, but hey, you know, if you're looking for something like this, this is the one with the braided handle. This is the QR code. So definitely call up your SAs, let them know. If there's anything, any questions, anything else you want me to cover on this, let me know. But hey, other than that, please like, subscribe, comment, share. It will definitely help the channel out. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you like it, and I hope to see you next video. Goodbye.